Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got one of these Remington 1040s, little plastic case guy from about 1970 or so. It's got a few problems we're going to try to solve here. Type bar sticking, basically. Okay, let's take this lid off. This is a pretty cool retractable lid, like this. Comes off and it's attached. But if you look under here, you can just flex this arm out right here. Flex that arm out and take the lid off. No tools needed. So what we're going to do here is look at some of these type bars that are sticking, like the K, right there. And I think it was the O, 9, and then the 1 over here. The 1 is severely bent. You can see it's crooked. It's crooked, it's crooked. So let's see what kind of tools I got to straighten this thing out to start with. So it's definitely bent to one side. We're just going to do a really rough bend to try to center this thing up here. I'm just going to use my plumber's pliers here and give this a little tweak, try to get it straight. Okay, might have got it right there. I think I got it the first time. That usually doesn't happen, but then we need to just make sure it's hitting right between the guides there, which it's not. It's hitting on this side. I'm going to flex the whole arm up a little until it goes right in the center of that guide. It's hard to see. Okay, that's it right there. It's centered. So that's what I think is wrong with the K here, is it's just rubbing on this side of the fork right there. Because if you go in here and push it, it's engaging this side first. So I'm just going to flex this over. It's really, really thin type bars here. They want to bend real easy. So I'm just going to flex it over until it's more centered. Okay, that's about it. Let's try it. Okay, see? So that's it. Let's try the O, right? That was sticking on the 9. Same thing. It's rubbing on this side. So I'm just going to flex it this way and see how it fits. It's still rubbing on that side. I'll flex it a little harder. And that's just about it. You can almost move it a little bit in there. You could probably go a little bit more. I think you can go a little more. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, that's it. Let's try some more and see. There's a few here that were sticking. Oh, there we go. Got another one. Period. Same thing. It's rubbing on this same side, so I don't know what happened. That a bunch of these got tweaked over there a little bit. But you can definitely tell it's going in on that side a little too much. There it goes. I think let's go a little bit more. This bar feels a little sluggish. Alright, we got them all. These are all just a little bit of side-to-side adjustments, and then the number 1 had that pretty good bend in it. That's how you go about repairing sticky type bars when they stick up in the guide, generally. This doesn't seem to have too much of a stickiness in the segment or anything. It's all mechanical up here in the guide. And that's how you take care of those bars on a typewriter. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.